Ja Rastafari. Yes, I find out the problem for the engine. Messed up piston. Look at that shit. Window piston. So my engine's still good. Don't need to open the engine to fix it no more. This was the problem. The rings break. Scratch. Going 70, yo, that was too much power for the piston, my son. But my engine's still good. My 3-year engine, I still have it. Yes, I just got to put a new cylinder in it, you know. Right there, hold up. You can see it over. Some scratches in the inside, right there. So I got a new cylinder and put the engine back together. Yes, I. Engine still a work. Put on a new sleeve, new cylinder. Yes, I. Anyway, as you were, planet Earth.